This is how to make money with ySense online in Nigeria. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to earn ySense money online. This website will also accept you irrespective of your country. I've been working with this website and I've already got paid over $45. Let me show you. You can see this is my ySense page. I've already gotten paid over $45 working and doing simple tasks on this website, and I currently have over $10 that I can withdraw right now. And you'll be able to see how you can withdraw your earnings from this website directly to your bank account in your country. What do you think? This website will pay you for doing simple tasks like watching videos, playing games, doing surveys, downloading and testing apps, which you can easily do with your phone, tablet or computer system. Ensure you watch this video to the end because I'll be showing you the website that will help you get paid directly to your bank account in your country, and you will have an opportunity to claim a free $3 sign-up bonus from this website. But first, do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, click that notification bell. It will help you to know as I publish my videos every week. Thank you so much for doing that for me. This is what you are going to see as soon as you use the link below the description of this video. You sign up and you get to this page. You can earn extra easy cash online with your phone, tablet or computer system just by doing simple tasks. Tasks like paid surveys. Look at it. You'll be able to get paid for trying new products and services, downloading apps, testing apps and watching videos with your phone. Let me show you. Look at how much money you can make just by playing games. This is $32. This is $46. This is $11. This is $8. This is $5. This is what you can do with your phone, tablet or computer system. These are features offers. Get paid for trying new products and services. This is $8, $3, $4, many of them. These are other offers and these that you can do right now. You will have access to these offers as soon as you sign up. These are offers from ySense trusted partners. You can earn a lot of money taking surveys, doing tasks with third-party websites. This is $35, this is $40, this is $22, this is $40, and so many of them. For you to have access to surveys, you click surveys here. When you click play, you'll be able to have access to play games. Look at it, get your game on. This is where you'll be able to select the kind of devices you have, and these are popular games with a lot of money. This is $8, this is $68 just for playing this game that you can do with your phone, either Android or iOS. For you to have access to multiple offers and surveys from ySense partners, you click here. You have opportunity to do various tasks with this third-party company. There are over $1,250 worth of tasks you can do. This third-party will help you to play games that are worth $46, $7, $32, $5, $35, and so many of them. There are enough tasks you can do that will earn you money. And another best way to make money is for you to refer your friends and family members. All you need to do is to click affiliate program. This is one of the best way I make money on this website. All you need to do is to share your ySense link with your friends and family members. You'll be able to earn up to 30% recurring commissions. Copy your link and share them on your social media platforms. You can send your link to your friends and family members via your WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Twitter, LinkedIn. You can also watch this video. This video will help you to discover websites that you can refer people and make money in Nigeria. The link of the video will come out here. Ensure you watch this video. And you can see under here, you can see this daily poll. If you visit this place every day, click daily poll. You'll be able to earn free money in dollars every day. All you need to do is to answer the poll. You make a choice of your options. So you vote like this every day and you get 1 cent. You click, you get your money added to your account. Irrespective of your answer, you get 1 cent every day. Another thing you can also do on this platform is that you can browse ySense forum. You just click forum. Inside the ySense forum, you'll be able to see different challenges that people are going through and be able to learn how to resolve your own issues and how to contact support if you need any support. There are multiple ways to get paid on this website, and I've gotten paid on this platform. You can get paid using ATM. This is my recommended way to get paid. With ATM, you'll be able to withdraw your money to your account in your country. You can get paid using Zalando, you can get paid with Amazon gift cards. I've done multiple videos on how to get paid and convert your gift cards to cash. This is how to get paid on ySense using Amazon gift card payment method, and you'll be able to convert and change your gift cards to cash and direct to your account in your country. The link of the video will come out here. You can watch that video later. You can also get paid using Scree, Payoneer, PayPal, and other Amazon gift cards of other countries. For you to use ATM to get paid, you just click ATM. But first, ensure you use the link below the description of this video to sign up to ATM. When you do that, you are going to get free $3 sign up bonus when you use that link. Make sure that you use the same email address that you used to sign up to ySense to sign up to join ATM, so as to be able to claim your free $3 sign up bonus. You can only get paid with ATM after you must have accrued your earnings to $5 and above. You can see I have $10 that I can withdraw right now. You can observe that there is no padlock on $5, there is no padlock on $10, but others are padlocked. Like now you can see I can click to withdraw $10 from here. So for you to withdraw, like I'm going to withdraw $10 right now, then you click redeem. You can see great choice. Let's verify your order. The website will verify if you are the owner of the account before they can allow the withdrawal to be completed. So as soon as you confirm thank you, your order has been placed, $10 has been deducted from your account for this purchase. If you check my balance again, you can see $10 has been deducted from my account, and they will instantly send a message to your email. You can see congratulations, your redemption request for $10 ATM deposit reward has been received. Look at this message. Rewards are often delivered between 2 to 3 days, but in some cases may take up to 10 business days. We will send you an additional email when your $10 ATM deposit is ready. So you'll be expecting an email as soon as they send the money to your ATM. You can see this is my ATM page. As soon as you direct your ySense payment to ATM, you see your money show up in your wallet. You just come to this place, you click withdraw. There are over 500 available payment methods on this platform. You click search payment method. You can withdraw to your bank account in your country. You can collect cash on this platform. You can convert your money to cryptos. You can use your earnings to get gift cards. For instance, if you are transferring your earnings to your bank account in your country, you just click bank. All banks of most countries are listed on this platform. These are Nigeria banks. You can withdraw the money to your dollar account. You can withdraw the money to your naira account. Ensure you watch this video for you to learn how to transfer your money from ATM to any bank account in your country. The link of the video will come out here. You can watch that video later. You can also transfer your money to any cryptos of your choice. You just click cryptocurrency. Look at it. All major crypto coins are on this platform. This is Binance coins. You'll be able to get your money to your Binance platform. This is Bitcoin. This is Bybit. This is Coinbase. This is Ethereum. This is KuCoin. You can move your money to your wallet. For you to learn how to withdraw your money from ATM to MetaMask, watch this video. You'll be able to transfer your money from ATM to MetaMask or any wallet of your choice. Use this link to watch this video later. You can also watch this video. You'll be able to transfer your money from ATM to Binance or any crypto exchange of your choice. The link of the video will come out now. Use that link and you can watch the video later. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like this video. That will help you to get to know when I publish my videos every week. Thank you so much for doing that for me. You can now make money with ySense. Don't forget to use the links below the description of this video. And if you sign up with my ATM link, you will get a free $3 sign up bonus. And you know, with ATM, you can easily get your money direct to your bank account in your country. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and click that notification bell so that you can always get my videos every week. You need to watch the next video. Those are websites and apps that makes money for me every day, and you will see my proof of earnings. The best apps and websites are towards the end of the video. Ensure you take time to watch that video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.